We've been using uniPoint for a little over 3 years now. We've brought various modules online at different phases through that. But through the use of uniPoint, it allowed us to simply take a number of disparate systems that we used all over the company, a lot of spreadsheets, a lot of spiral notebooks, and consolidate all that into a single source of data. One of the advantages of uniPoint is that it is a SQL-based product, which has allowed us to easily get in and generate a lot of our own custom reports. uniPoint has a tremendous number of base reports that handle most of the needs, but every once in a while we come up with something that's special. With SQL, we're allowed and able to go into and get that data and generate specific things for us. One of the key things that we've done that's helped us is we've looked at our non-conformances and we've put those into a format that allows us to identify not only the most costing problems, but also the most quantity-specific problems. When we purchased uniPoint, we really didn't have any idea what the total cost of quality was. We always assumed that our scrap and rework was the cost of quality. uniPoint allowed us to take a look at and to begin tracking all the time that our inspectors spend, that our supervisors spend, that our purchasing department spends, problem solving with quality. The flexibility of uniPoint allows us to record everything from material cost to labor costs to mileage cost. It also has a neat feature where we can report the actual cost versus the estimated cost. We use that because our customers will submit their billings and we can keep the difference between what they bill and what our pay rates are. The MSDS process at Cardinal was a very laborious process where we took printed copies of each sheet, put them in the old 3-ring binders and put those out on the shop floor. What we'd find after a short time is the notebooks were covered with so much welding dust that you couldn't see them. So uniPoint has allowed us with their module to capture and scan all of our MSDS sheets, make those available online to production managers, to the supervisors, as well as the people on the floor. The document control, training, and occupation modules within uniPoint allowed us to capture all of the internal documents that we have, which include our operational procedures, our work instructions, our safety training type documents, and assign those documents to each and every employee based on their job code. This allows us to keep up with all of our training requirements to make sure all employees are current. It also helps us tremendously with our ISO certifications. The dashboard gives us a quick overview from a management level. Also, it allows our supervisors to do the same thing. From their standpoint, they can take a look at their department data specifically and see exactly what's going on. We actually have a website set up that uniPoint manages for us, and we simply ask our customers to go in and fill out their experience with our product. How is the product working for you? Are there any issues that you have? Are you satisfied with your customer service? And as the customer fills that information out, it's all gathered at a server at the uniPoint facility. uniPoint for Cardinal has been a great asset and addition to our ERP system. One of the things that uniPoint does very well is integrates with the data within our ERP system. I know that they integrate with a number of other systems. That allowed us to really start using the system immediately.